Alright, so here's how to show or hide quick access toolbar in Microsoft Office. So let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the right side and simply right click on your mouse and then simply go with the customize the ribbon. And now from here you will probably see the quick access toolbar. You need to select that one, and then from here, as you can see, show quick access toolbar. So it is being now showing, but the toolbar position is above ribbon, so it is the toolbar. All right, so quick access toolbar located here, but you can simply press on below ribbon like that. Then from here you can select the tools that you want to add. Like here are 4 tools selected here. You can simply add more of these like that. Simply add, or you can remove like that. So simply customize it as your wish and then press on OK. Now we got our quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.